Oh, my baby girl.
Let's go there. Now mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Record an empty background for up to 5 seconds. Then walk in as if you want to go check something. Then you can start running back. Now run and hold the tripod to create that shake. Now when you're done with that, save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. You get my point? So guys, this is the video. You know, we recorded an empty background, so we have to split that empty background. You get my point? So from here I'm going to tap on this layer, then click on split. I'll click on split. Then I'll go look for overlay. Overlay. Okay, see overlay here. Now click on overlay. Just bring it to the beginning of the video. You get my point? So now tap on that empty background. Go and look for freeze. This is freeze. Now click on freeze. So now tap on that one, the one you just freeze. Just drag it to the end of the video. You get my point? Now you get my point. So now what you will do from here, guys, please like this video so that YouTube will be able to distribute it to many people. You know, we need to grow. You get my point? So from here, tap on an empty space. You get my point? You will see add overlay, so you click on add overlay. Now add your green screen effect you downloaded. To get this effect, go to footagecrate.com. You get my point? So what we will have to do from here is to go and look for remove BG. Click on it. Now see chroma key. Tap on chroma key. Now select where it is green. Just hover this circle here to where it is green. Tap on intensity. Increase it to 100. Understand? Tap on shadow. Increase also to 100. You get my point? So it will be something like this. So this is how I want my own to start. I want it to be as if it's coming from the fence, just like what you saw at the beginning of this video. So from here, tap on this the green screen layer. You tap on it and then tap on it again. You get my point? Then you will be able to see keyframe. So you can add keyframe at the beginning of this green screen. You get my point? Now move the video a bit, add another keyframe. Now drag the car to the sky. You can leave it somewhere here. You get my point? Alright guys, so if this is your first time of coming across my video, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video on your social media platform. Understand? Turn on the bell notification icon so you won't miss out on any of our amazing tutorial. You get my point? So guys, we will have to add another keyframe towards the end of this effect. Maybe somewhere here like this. Now why we should add it is because we need to enlarge the car. You need to enlarge the effect, something like this. Something like this. So that is just it, guys. You get my point? So as you can see, the green screen effect has even covered the person. This is how it's going to be. It has covered the character, but don't worry, we're gonna work it out. You get my point? So I noticed that the speed of this effect here is too much, so I had to go and look for speed. Where is speed? Let's go and look for speed. I think I've passed the speed. Where is speed now? Okay, see speed here. Click on speed, go to normal. Then I'll have to reduce it to 0.7. Yeah, 0.7. So it will be something like this. So it won't get to the camera before me. You get my point? So now at this point where the car is coming, so towards this point where it wants to cover my daughter's head here, understand, at this point here I will tap on this second layer. Now click on split. Go and click on split. Bro. When you click on split, now go and look for remove BG. Now why you do this is so that the car will be behind you, understand. Click on auto removal, allow it to remove completely. Now the car will be behind you, not like before. You get my point? So you can tap on OK. So let's see how it goes. Something like that. You get my point? Something like that. Can you see it now? Can you see the difference? So now if you're a complete beginner and you really want to learn about video editing on Capcut using your phone, guys, chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. You get my point? And also, if you want me to mentor you for 1 month, 2 months, depending on how long you want it to be, chat me also on WhatsApp. Understand? So that is just it. So you can tap on the first layer here, click on split, then delete it. Do the same on the second layer so that the video will end right here. You get my point? So guys, that is how it is done. So guys, the next thing we will do here is to add the video effect, what we call video effect. So at this point, you will have to tap on this navigation button. From here, you can tap on effects, see video effect, click on video effect. You get my point? So allow it to open. It takes some time. If you don't have a good network, it takes some time. So what we will do here is you have to go to nightclub, click on shake. See this one here, shake, and you add that shake at the end of the video, understand. Towards the end of the video, add that shake there. You can play around with it from that one. You get my point? So now guys, we want to add the sound effect. So what you will have to do from here is you will have to tap on this navigation icon, navigation button. Now you will see audio. Click on audio. Now click on sound FX. You get my point? Now go and look for traffic. Let's go and look for traffic. All right, see traffic here. Click on traffic. Oh yeah, scroll down to where you see train passing sound. Now tap on this train passing sound. So that is the sound you hear when this car is coming. So guys, you can tap on the sound effect. You can adjust it. Tap on it to split and delete some parts which you don't need, understand. So you can play around with it to adjust it to make sure it match with when the car is flying. You understand me? You get my point? So that is just it, guys. Now go back to this sound effects. Now go to traffic again, because we need to add another sound effect. So you scroll down to car crashing sound, understand. So you can bring it down here, bring it down, make it under the first sound effect, understand. So you can adjust it so you can have that sound. You get my point? So you can have that sound, this sound we're playing right here. So guys, that is just it too. You get my point? Make sure you like this video. So now we will have to add another sound effect. So click on this sound FX again. We need to add that broken glass effect. So you tap on this search icon, broken glass, understand. So you search, understand. Just give it a little time. Now you tap on this one, sound of broken glass, understand. So you bring it down also, then you can adjust it where the car is smashing. You get my point? So you can have that sound. You get my point? So after adjusting the sound, click on sound effects, because we need to add another sound effect. Now go to search icon, tap on Canon, tap on Canon. You get my point. Look at the spelling here. So you search to allow it to search. So click on this first one here, Canon 014. Add that one. You get my point. Now you can also adjust it. You can split and delete the ending part of it. You can play around with it. That is just it, guys. So guys, when you are done with all the adjustments, you can now save the video to your gallery. But guys, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to comment. Understand? So let's see what we got.
Oh, my baby girl.